In this video, I'm going to show you how to view inventory items in Steam quickly and easily. If you've ever wanted to check what items you own in a specific game, inspect their details, or simply see your inventory in one place, this guide will walk you through it step by step. This is a simple process, but if you're new to Steam, it can be easy to miss where the inventory option is located. So stay with me, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. First, open Steam on your computer and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once Steam is open, look at the top menu and find your username. This is usually located near the top of the Steam client, and it will take you to your account options. Click your username to open the drop-down menu. In that menu, look for the inventory option and click it. This is the main place where Steam stores and displays the items linked to your account. After that, Steam will show you a list of games connected to your inventory. Select the game you want to check from the list. Once you choose the game, your inventory items for that title will appear on the screen. You can now browse through your items, look at what you own, and see all the details tied to each one. If you want more information about a specific item, simply click on it. That will open the item details so you can view things like its name, description, and any other available information. If you have multiple items, you can continue clicking through them one by one to compare or review everything in your inventory. This is especially useful if you're managing items for trading, collecting, or just keeping track of what you have in a game. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to view inventory items in Steam in just a few simple steps. Open Steam, click your username, choose inventory from the dropdown, select the game, and click any item for details. If this video was helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.